Hey guys, this is Tharmi. Today, you will get new lesson from my story, so watch and listen until end. Without further delay, let's jump into the story. Where is happiness? One day, there was a seminar on mental health and physical health. Many people had gathered there. Various people came there for search of mental health and in search of problems for their confusion. The seminar coordinator started the seminar. He gave different colored balloons and asked them to write the name of each one. After that, he told them to put them in a room. Everyone did as he said. They wrote their name and left it in that room. After everyone has placed, the coordinator again said, "Now take out only the balloon that belongs to you in that room." Everyone went and tried to pick up the balloon with their name on it, as told by the seminar coordinator. But there were so many balloons, so everyone was interested in finding the balloon with their name on it. Thus, they stepped on other people's balloons, leaned over others, and tried to take their namesake balloon. Because of this, some people's balloons broke. The paper with the names of some fell down. The room was buzzing like this for 30 minutes. Only 1 or 2 of the 100 participants in the seminar could pick up the balloon with their name on it. Others couldn't. After this, the coordinator took everyone back into the room and said, "Now get any one balloon in this room." Immediately, everyone went into the room and brought each balloon. They sat in their seats. Immediately, the coordinator started his lesson. Did you see how hard you tried to pick up a balloon with your name on it? You broke other people's balloons and pushed them down. But when I was told to pick up any one balloon, you picked it up very easily without fighting with each other. Therefore, when we seek peace of mind in life, we don't try to make others suffer for our own happiness. He concluded his seminar by saying that we must strongly believe that our happiness lies in doing good to others and not hurting others. It's time to end of the story. So guys, in the same way, we also do not harm others, help others and get benefits for ourselves. We will be happy too. Okay friends, we will see our next video with new story. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to get my new stories notifications. Have a good day.